you know what? Okay, that's better. Hi. So, I just had an idea. Living as a TikToker for 24 hours. So, we're going to do that now. And so I'm being really quiet. It's because it's quite late at night. And I'm not trying to wake everyone up. But yeah. So I'm going to start the video now so it's over quicker. Because I'm not a TikToker. And I don't know how to live as a TikToker. So, yeah. So we're going to start the video now. Technically, okay, look. This is how I'm a TikToker. This is why I'm starting it now. Look, cool TikTok lights. Video starts now. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep. Then I'm gonna carry on the video in the morning. So yeah, that was just my quick little intro to this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you liked the video. And yeah, I've completely forgot my normal intro. But yeah, good night everyone, and I'll see you in the morning to carry on this video. Because I was smart and started it now. It's not very smart, but you know. Let's carry on then. Good night, everyone. Good morning, guys. I literally just woke up, so ignore what I look like. But yeah. I watched a few of those day in my life as a TikToker, you know, like made by actual TikTokers. So I'm gonna kind of copy them. They all start with TikTokers waking up, going to have a shower, and then doing get ready with me, like, but like they have the wet hair and all that. So I don't know, I'm just gonna do that because yeah. Also, I don't know what to wear. Oh well. Hi everyone. So I'm out of the shower. I've got a towel on my head, as you can see, and yeah, I'll show you my outfit in a bit. My room's a bit of a mess. I'll tidy it up and then I'll show you in my mirror. But yeah, I'm just going to eat my breakfast now. Do TikTokers eat breakfast? I don't know, probably do, whatever. So guys, I'm just going to take my headphones out because I can't hear anything. But I've decided that I'm going to do my schoolwork because TikTokers do their schoolwork sometimes. Some of them do, I think. I think they do. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Please tell me. This is such a TikToker thing to do. Look at this. The fake anonymous story. I've seen everyone do this, and because I'm trying to be a TikToker today, I'm going to do it even though it's so obvious that it's fake. So yeah. Also, my Instagram, it's that. I'm losing followers very quickly, it's quite funny. Okay guys, so I'm going to do a little get ready with me, because, you know, TikTok things. I watched a few of those day in the life of a TikToker, and literally every single one of them, they did like a little get ready with me in the morning. So I'm going to copy them because that's what I'm doing all day, copying other people. I'm going to do natural makeup because that's what Charli D'Amelio does, I think. So we're going to copy her today. Okay, I've got makeup in front of me. Okay, let's start, I guess. So I'm not going to use primer because I can't be bothered. So we're going to go on to concealer. I have 3 in front of me because I don't know how much I have left. Okay, that's enough, I guess. I'm blending it out with a brush because I can't be bothered to go and wet my sponge. So, did that even do anything? I don't know if it did. You know what, let's do this, look. Wow. That should be good enough. I don't really care. Can I just talk about quickly how I accidentally went live on YouTube yesterday? So if you got the notification that I was live and then you clicked on it and I wasn't, that's why I accidentally went live. Using this as brow gel, the Colour Lash mascara, the clear mascara. It's got a bit brown from brow pomade, but we're gonna ignore that. I actually have 2 of these. The other one's right here. One of them I use on my eyelashes, one of them I use on my eyebrows. Oh, I just realised I didn't do outfit of the day. Okay, I'll do that in a bit. Alexa, what's the temperature?
At the moment, it's 29 degrees Celsius. Today, you can expect a high of 32 degrees.
Alexa, what's 32 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
32 degrees Celsius is 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's the weather like today. That's what the weather's like today. So I'm actually wearing shorts instead of jeans. So I'm sorry, but like my outfit is inspired by an outfit that Charlie wore. So yeah, but I'm not wearing jeans because it's too hot. I've got blush because that's the thing that e-girls do, right? They wear blush. What else do I need to do? Oh yeah, I'm going to use this mascara. It's the exact same as the other one, except it's not got brow products in it. So I'm going to use this on my eyelashes now. Oh yeah, highlighter. I forgot the highlighter. Okay, I'm going to use one from my James Charles palette. I have the mini one. Cute. It's small like me. I'm very short. Okay, I'm going to use this shade right there as highlighter. Oh no, I'm dropping stuff. Okay. Okay, so this is my makeup. I'm going to put this lip gloss on as well. It's the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss. This one. In apricot. It's really nice. It smells like apricot and watermelon. That's my makeup done. Look at me. Doing my natural TikToker makeup. I swear this is the makeup that Charlie wears like every day. This video is me basically trying to be Charlie because she has lots of followers. Outfit of the day, I'm wearing this. So this top with like that on the strip on the sleeve, and it's on the bottom as well. And I'm wearing these shorts inspired by this outfit by Charlie. So yeah, and it's really hot, so I'm not wearing jeans. A little update on this. It's been an hour. Oh, okay. It's been an hour. No one's fallen for it yet. Excuse me. I'm really offended right now. Look, loads of people asked me, would you rather questions, and now no one's just doing this. Wrong story. No one's done it. Also, my story views are really low for some reason. I don't know why. Someone is drilling in the background, so I'm really sorry if you can hear that. I'm going to film some TikToks, because that's what TikTokers do, right? So yeah, I'm going to film some TikToks. I'm going to try and learn a TikTok dance actually. That probably won't go well, but we'll try. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to do this dance. You know, the one that's like that one? Yeah. But only because I like kind of know it already, so I'm going to try and dance. Probably won't even post it anyway, so we'll try though. We'll try. Oh my gosh, that was pretty bad. Okay, so I've done this TikTok dance. I don't know if I want to post it because it's not that good, but yeah, this is it if you want to look at it. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to post it. Isn't that what TikToks do? They like film loads of TikToks and then leave them in their drafts. I don't know. I'm not going to post this. But you can watch it right now. So guys, I'm going to go outside. I know, right? I don't think I've ever been outside in a video before. Actually, I have. Like a year ago. Wow, I know. But I'm about to go outside, so let's go outside. Guys, I've just done another TikTok dance. Yeah, I just found the sound funny, so we're gonna post that now, and then I'm gonna film a video with Caitlin, who's right there, literally right there, and yeah, we're gonna film a video, YouTube video, because TikTokers are always trying to be YouTubers, and it doesn't work out. Can you guess what video I'm filming? Okay, no comment, rude. Hey everyone, so I'm in my kitchen. This is my kitchen, welcome to my kitchen. And I'm a bit thirsty, so I was going to make that TikTok coffee, you know, the one that's like everyone was making about 2 months ago. But then I remembered I hate coffee, like it's actually disgusting, I can't drink it, just no. So second best thing, I found this recipe on TikTok and on YouTube. Actually, I just saw it on YouTube. It's been on TikTok, you know, yeah. And it's basically the same thing, but with strawberry milk. So I'm gonna do that because I hate coffee.
How to make whipped strawberry milk. You need 1 tablespoon of strawberry Nesquik, 4 tablespoons of heavy whipped cream. Whisk until fluffy. Almond milk. There you have it, whipped strawberry milk.
And look at me being a chef. This, and ice, I think. I don't know, I didn't bring my phone, so. Okay, you know what? Let's grab a bowl. And it's nearly 11 o'clock. Probably should be sleeping. Well, not sleeping, but like getting ready for bed, you know. Someone's coming downstairs. I don't know any measurements, so we're just gonna go with it. Should be enough. Now I think we just add milk in there. I think.
4 tablespoons of heavy whipped cream. Heavy whipped cream.
It's gonna turn out so disgusting. And then you whisk it. Okay. You have to whisk it, but can you whisk with a spoon? I'm going to get the whisk out, because look, we have a whisk somewhere in here. Okay, it looks like that. You can't even see that. Okay, this isn't working. Look at this. Look at this. What is that? Why is it not working?
Heavy whipped cream.
Okay, you know what? I can't be bothered. Okay, now we're gonna take our this stuff and okay. Excuse me. That didn't work at all. Tastes just like milk. It was a rip-off. So guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff down below. And yeah, see you next time. Bye guys. I don't know why I just whispered that, but yeah. Bye guys.